Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start a fuel pump. This can be a useful temporary fix if your car isn't getting fuel. First, you'll need to find your fuel pump relay, usually in the fuse box under the hood or dashboard. Then, we'll check for power at the fuel pump connector. Finally, we'll prepare a jumper wire to safely bypass the relay. Let's get started with these essential first steps. To accurately locate the relay, always refer to your car's owner's manual for the specific diagram. Safety is paramount, so ensure the ignition is completely off before you begin handling any electrical components. Once you've identified the relay, you can perform a quick test. Turn the ignition to the on position and listen closely for a distinct clicking sound from the relay. This sound indicates it's attempting to engage. Now for the jump start itself. With the relay removed, carefully insert your prepared jumper wire into the correct terminals in the relay socket. You're essentially bypassing the relay to send power directly to the pump. Listen intently for the fuel pump to hum, which confirms it's receiving power and beginning to prime. Once you hear that, try starting your engine. As soon as the engine successfully starts, promptly remove the jumper wire. If the fuel pump doesn't activate after jumping, first check for a blown fuse in the circuit. This is a common issue. If the fuse is good, the relay itself might be faulty and require replacement. Remember, jumping the pump is a temporary solution to get you moving. For a permanent fix, diagnose the root cause. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.